Have you ever wondered why some individuals look remarkably young for their age, while others seem to age prematurely? What if I told you that the secret to aging, or rather the lack thereof, lies within your own body, hidden in the minute cells that make up every tissue and organ? Welcome to the fascinating world of cellular aging, a process that affects us all yet remains largely misunderstood. Cellular aging, simply put, is the process by which our body's cells grow old. It's the reason why our skin wrinkles, our joints ache, and our energy levels dwindle as we age. But what causes this? And more importantly, can we do anything to slow it down? Our cells age due to a combination of factors. One key factor is the shortening of telomeres, the protective caps at the end of our chromosomes. Every time a cell divides, its telomeres shorten. Eventually, when the telomeres become too short, the cell can no longer divide and becomes senescent or dies. Another reason for cellular aging is the accumulation of damage from exposure to environmental toxins and harmful substances like free radicals. Over time, this damage can lead to changes in the cell that speed up the aging process. But here's the interesting part. Not all cells age at the same rate. Some cells have the ability to repair themselves and maintain their youthful functionality. This is why some people look younger than their chronological age. Now, let's summarize the key points we've discussed. 1. Cellular aging is the process by which our body's cells grow old. 1. The shortening of telomeres and accumulation of damage from environmental toxins are two key factors in cellular aging. 1. Not all cells age at the same rate. Some cells have the ability to repair themselves and stay young. 1. By understanding cellular aging, we can potentially slow down the aging process and maintain our youthful vitality. Remember, while we cannot stop the clock, we can certainly slow its tick. By understanding the process of cellular aging, we can take steps to keep our cells healthy and youthful for as long as possible. After all, in the world of cellular biology, age really is just a number. So, the next time you look in the mirror, remember, you're only as old as your cells. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the microscopic world of cellular aging. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more intriguing insights into the human body. Stay curious, stay informed, and as always, stay healthy.